Did
you take the trash out?
Yes.
Did you really?
I'm in the process.
Nice, nice. What are you making?
Eggs and oatmeal.
Huh.
You want some?
I do.
Scrambled eggs?
Are you gonna make me some?
You want?
I do want some.
Why don't you shut that off?
Oh boy. What a lot of eggs, huh?
5 dozen.
How much was it?
$9.83. Yeah.
I make them.
Stop filming me.
I'm not filming you.
Let me put some pants on. There's a hole in my underwear. Do you like oatmeal?
I do.
You do? You do?
I do.